Hello students, how are you? Today our topic is linear equations in two variables. Today we take more information about simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations. Two linear equations involving two variables taken together form a system of simultaneous linear equations. For example, x plus y equal to x, x minus y equal to 4. If we solve these two equations simultaneously, then x plus x equal to 2x, y minus y equal to 0 equal to 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 2x equal to 12, x equal to 12 by 2 means x equal to 6. If we put x equal to 6 in equation 1, then x plus y equal to 8 is equation 1. X equal to 6, put the value of x equal to 6. 6 plus y equal to 8. Y equal to 8. This 6 goes to right hand side and becomes minus 6. And we get y equal to 2. This x equal to 6 and y equal to 2. These two solutions are common for both the equations. For example, x equal to 6, y equal to 2, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. It means that these two values x equal to 6 and y equal to 2, these two values satisfy the equation 1. Now take in consideration equation 2, x minus y equal to 4. X equal to 6, the value of x we put in here 6 minus value of y is 2. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. It means that these also satisfy these values x and y, x equal to 6 and y equal to 2. These values satisfy the equation 2 also. It means that two linear equations, these are the two linear equations 1 and 2, involves two variables x and y and taken together form a system of simultaneous linear equations. म्हणजे एकाच वेळेस दोन सायमल्टेनियस लिनियर इक्वेशन कशाला म्हणायचे तर एकाच वेळेस दोन लिनियर इक्वेशन आपण सॉल्व केल्यानंतर x आणि y च्या ज्या किमती आल्या त्या दोन्ही किमती आपण दोन्ही इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवल्या तर त्या दोन्ही इक्वेशनचं काय होत आहे समाधान होत आहे इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय होत आहे अशा इक्वेशन्सला लिनियर इक्वेशन्सला आपल्याला काय म्हणायचंय सायमल्टेनियस लिनियर इक्वेशन म्हणायचं म्हणजे अशा आपल्याला दोन किमती शोधायच्या चलाच्या व्हेरिएबल्सच्या त्या दोन किमती दिलेल्या दोन इक्वेशन मध्ये लिनियर इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवल्यानंतर त्या दोन्ही लिनियर इक्वेशनचं काय होतं सॅटिस्फॅक्शन होतं समाधान होतं तर त्या लिनियर इक्वेशन्सला आपल्याला काय म्हणायचंय सायमल्टेनियस लिनियर इक्वेशन असं म्हणायचं आहे. I think you understand simultaneous linear equation. Then next method of solving of simultaneous equation. There are four methods of solving simultaneous equation. First method is elimination by equating the coefficient. Here we have to equate the coefficient of variables and then solve the simultaneous equation by eliminating one variable. The next is elimination by substitution. We have to substitute the value of one variable in the form of other variable and then eliminate one variable and solve the equation. Next is by graphical method. Third method is by graphical method. Here we solve the simultaneous equation by graph. Then last is Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule, by solving simultaneous equations, we have to solve by using Cramer's rule. We have to study these four methods for solving simultaneous equations. Here is the activity. Textbook page 3. Solving simultaneous equations by the method of elimination. 3x plus 2y equal to 29 is the equation 1. 5x minus y equal to 18 is the equation 2. Here, multiplying equation 2 by 2. This is activity. So, already we have given whole process, whole method by putting squares, and we have to fill these squares. So, here multiply equation 2 by 2. Equation 2 we have to multiply by 2. Then 5x into, here we write 2 minus y into 2, 18 into 2. When we multiply a number to equation, then we have to multiply the whole equation by 2. Means we have to multiply each term by 2. So we multiply here by 2. 5 into 2, 10x minus 2y, 18 into 2, 36. Then this becomes equation 3. It is equation 3. Then we have to add equation 3 and equation 1. So adding equation 1 and 3. 3x plus 2y equal to 29, equation 1. Equation 3 we have to write here 10x, equation 3, 10x minus 2y equal to 36. Then addition, we have to add here 3x plus 10x, it means 13x plus 2y minus 2y, here it cancels, and 29 plus 36 means 9 plus 6, 15, 15, 5, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Then x equal to 65 divided by 13, because 13 here in multiplication goes right hand side to dividation. So 13 ones are 13, 13 5s are 65. X equal to 5. We get the value of x 5. Substituting x equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 29. 3x plus 2y equal to 29. X equal to 5. We have to put the value of x equal to 5 in equation 1. So, we put x equal to 5. 3 into 5 becomes 15. 15 plus 2y equal to 29. 2y equal to 29 minus. Here plus 15 goes to right hand side, becomes minus 15. 29 minus 15. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. We get 2y equal to 14, means y equal to 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 means 2 1s are 2, 2 to 7s are 14. Y equal to 7. Then x comma y, x we get value of x 5 and the value of y 7. This is the solution. This is activity in textbook. So we solve it, and these types of activity comes in exam, asked in exam for 2 or 3 marks. So be careful and study very well with concentration. Thank you.